welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my fridge. I have to do this at least once a week, and this week I started meal prepping, so I had to make sure that I had enough room to fit my containers in. The first thing I'm going to do is empty out the fridge just to see which containers I need to throw away the food and wash them, and just to get a better understanding of how much room I have. At this point, I'm debating if I want to take everything out of the door and the shelves as well, but I decided against it. So I'm just going to take a sponge with some hot water and dish liquid and wipe down the shelves. Now I'm just going to take a dry towel and wipe down everything. I did end up just reorganizing the stuff that's in the door and in the shelves as well. And I decided to get rid of the third shelf that was on the second level altogether, just to have extra room for everything. So now I'm just going to neatly put everything back.
In my mind, I slowly drifting by all the poems I wrote for you.
So this is it, you guys. This is the final product. I wish I can have one of those refrigerators that only have water and juice and is so neat and organized. But I have a family. We eat real food. No offense to anybody else, but that's just not realistic for me. This is the best that I could do, and I love it. I can see everything that I have now, and I still have room for my meal prep containers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.